Welcome to NCRT Reader channel. So this question is from electrostat chapter only, and the question what it is, just let's see this. Question is given three identical charged particles, charge ball, each of charge 2 coulomb are suspended from a common point P. So there is a common point, and from that common point, 3 point charges, three identical charge ball, it is having the charge 2 coulomb suspended from P by the silk thread of 2 meter each. 2 meter each. So you can see the diagram here, it is given. They form an equilateral triangle of the side of lenses. So wherever the charge we are having here, it is you can see this is one charge here, it is another charge ball, and this is also another ball, B1, B2, B3. So B1, B2, B3 is the combination of an equilateral triangle forming of the side length 1 meter only. So the ratio of net force on the charge ball, ratio of the net force on the charge ball to the force between any two charge ball will be what? So this is the actually asking you ratio between the sorry, ratio between the net force on the charge ball. So what will be the net force on charge ball? Net force. So when you go for the net force means you have to particularize because of the identical nature of the charges and having equal charge placed over there. So I'm considering one charge to be here, it is of the Q charge, and another charge is to be here, it is Q charge, and the third charge which is at here it is. They form an equilateral triangle. So line joining the charges will be the what it will be force of repulsion over there. So this force will be the same force applied by the other charge on this one. So this, and you know that it is forming equilateral triangle. So the angle will be here, it is 60 degree. So this will be 60 degree. So if I'll consider this force to be the F1 and this force to be the F1, so here angle is 60 degree. So what will be the resultant force we can calculate over here? So this force F is the force between the two charges. Here F is the force between the two charges. So question is not that much difficult. It's just asking you that what is the ratio of the net force divided by this force F only, because the F is the force between the two charges. So what is the net force? So here I am considering first that the force between the two charges, that let force between two charges. Let's suppose this I am considering F. So in that condition here, what will be the net force? Net force means net force acting on a single charge, which is forming that vertices of what you can say it is triangle, equilateral triangle. So here we are having the net force. So we know that this force F and this force F, and it is acting the two forces having the angle 60 degree between them. So what will be the net force? It is F square plus of F square plus 2 times of F into F and then cos 60. So this you will get here, it is, this is F square here, 2F square cos 60, it will be root 3F. So this is the net force we are getting. So the required result is asking you what will be the ratio of net force by the force between the two charges, this one. So what is net force? Net force is root 3F. And what is the force between two charges? It is F. So it will be root 3. I hope it is clear. And which option is that root 3 it is? We can see that one. Which one is having root 3 is to 1. So here we are having the D option. So D will be the result. It is root 3 is to 1. That will be the result here. I hope you understand this one. This is just like resultant of Coulomb's law forces. It is many times you must have done this kind of question. So that was the question. It is. Thank you.